Exercise A. Match the words in box A with their antonyms in box B. Box A, box B. So you have to match these words with their antonyms. So first you have to numbering this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The first number is loose. So what is the opposite of loose? One number, tight. So you have to write here 1. Loose, tight. Sorrow, joy. Second number. Past, present. 3 number. Smooth, rough. Host, 5th number, guest. Ignorance, 6 number, ignorance का knowledge. Master, servant. Encourage, discourage. Best, 9 number, best, worst. Deep, shallow. Wisdom, fully. Private, public. Alive, dead. Peace, war. Arrival, departure. And now exercise B. Rewrite the following sentences to make them meaningful by replacing one of the words in each sentence with its antonyms. Right? You have to rewrite these sentences. Example, first number is, it is possible to go to the moon in a helicopter. So possible. So you have to replace possible with the antonyms. तो possible का antonyms impossible. So you have to rewrite this sentence. It is impossible to go to the moon in a helicopter. Right? Possible, impossible. The police inspector asked Webber to tell the lie. Lie word. So what is the antonyms of lie? Truth. So you have to rewrite this sentence. The police inspector asked Webber to tell the truth. Prithvi is so weak. Then he can lift a table with one hand. Weak, strong. The Prithvi is so strong that he can lift a table with one hand. Right? And next. During the monsoon months, the days are usually sunny. Opposite, you have to write antonyms of sunny. Cloudy. Cloudy. So, during the monsoon months, the days are usually cloudy. I added some sugar to the fruit salad to make it bitter. Antonyms of bitter. Sweet. I added some sugar to the fruit salad to make it sweet. For every correct answer, 1 mark will be deducted from the score. Correct, incorrect. For every incorrect answer, 1 mark will be deducted from the score. Azhar ordered, fill that full jar with water. Full, empty. Azhar ordered, fill that empty jar with water. The sun rises in the west. Opposite, east. Antonyms, east. The sun rises in the east. Crying is good for health. Good. Antonyms, bad. So crying is bad for health. I am glad that I forgot to invite you to my birthday party. glad, sad. I am sad that I forgot to invite you to my birthday party. And now exercise C. Write the opposites of these words. Many, few, west, east, attic, cellar, words better, patient, doctor, close, open, vacuum, clear, me, you, true, false, left, right, exit, enter, stale, fresh, failure, success, thin, thick, pure, impure, tall, short. And now worksheet. Antonyms. Worksheet number 28. Page number 189. Write in the blanks the antonyms of the following words. And in exercise B, match the words in column A with their antonyms in column B. So you have to complete this. And now this chapter has been completed. Happy learning.